What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another trout fishing episode. Today we are on our way up to a river in New York that I haven't fished since last year. When I was there last time, I was with Jackson, and we didn't do too hot. The fishing was kind of terrible. The water was still cold, but today it's completely different. The flows are perfect. The temperature is perfect. Fish will be caught today. There are a lot of big fish, a lot of small fish in this river, so stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. Let's keep this intro nice and short, and let's go catch some fish. Jackson and I didn't catch a fish in this hole last time either, so we'll give it a little bit. It's a nice hole though, so you never know. Fish, there could be some big fish around. Oh yes! On the board, let's go! Yeah, it stays cold year round. Hey, look at that. Nice. Oh, I had to follow. Yeah. Wasn't big. Bigger than yours, but like not by much. So, yeah, it's not. That's what happens though. You know, it's a world-class brown trout river, but the brookies got sacrificed for it. There's one. Nice one. Nice one? Yep. No, it's not that big, I don't think. Come up here.
That's a good one.
That's a decent one, yeah.
It's the biggest wild brown line that's ever seen.
You sure? I don't think this is quite 16.
It's not 16, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, that was a nice one. I wasn't expecting. Oh, see, this one's been caught before. You can tell you're in a pressured spot when they're missing parts of their jaw. Yeah, another treble hook fisherman probably did that, to be honest.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. Oh god. Oh god. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Nice brown trout from the... Actually, I probably shouldn't say that. That'll be cut out of the video. See you later, buddy. Thank you for biting. I don't know, like not too many. It was like cold. We got like maybe 20 something, but that's still pretty decent, I guess. No, another rock. Damn, I don't want to have to walk out there and get that, but I guess I will. Well, I might as well fish this while I'm over here. There's one. Oh, it was about the same size as the last one. He jumped me off. Yeah, there's one in here somewhere. If he'll bite, that's the question. There you go. Nicer one? Yeah, nice one. Oh yeah, he is a little smaller than I thought. That's still cool though. Yeah. That's why the spinner's nice. You'll catch a lot of fish on that today. Yeah. Sweet. That's good. Yeah. That's gonna be one of the many fish we catch today. So that's sick. Yes. Nice little brown.
Let's see if I was doing.
Oh yeah, he's good. Right, that's good. He's good. There's one. Little guy, tiny guy. Yes, sir. Isn't it weird how they love these holes versus that big one? I know. Yeah, that big one. Oh, well, there he goes. I don't know. I guess the hooks on this must suck after catching a bunch of big trout the other day. I don't know what the hell's going on. There's got to be a 20-incher somewhere in this current. There's a lot of flat water ahead of us, so we'll come across some fish. Oh, that's fish. Not big, but it's nettable. It's nettable though, that's for sure. It's coming right this way now. Yeah, pretty decent one. I think that's bigger than the first one I got. Yeah, it's that. Nice. Nice. Thanks for the net job.
Let me get that jerkbait.
Yeah, it's a solid one.
Oh, yeah.
It's like 15 inches.
That's pretty much as big as I've caught.
Well, hopefully you'll be able to get one. Maybe you should switch back to the spinner. I don't know.
That's fine. What size spinner is that?
It's the 2-size Blue Fox. Jesus. There's a nice one. Actually, it might not actually be as big. Yeah, it's not. Ah, what the hell?
Damn it. I think he wasn't as big.
Yeah, he wasn't as big. The way he hit, I thought it was huge, but how are they not saying hooked? That's number 4 that I've lost. Ah. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. But I'm stuck on a tree. What happened over here? Is this someone's line? Oh, that's my line. Okay. It's okay. I don't need a net. I was just like tangled up all in the tree. I saw him fall it. He missed it, and then he came back and grabbed it.
A lot of spots.
Yeah, he does. Or she does. I don't know. They're hard to tell at the side.
After this next spot, if I don't get bites, I might pull out the back ones.
Yeah, it might be smart. Oh, sorry, buddy.
I don't know. You know, if I've gotten a few.
Dang, imagine. Just lost it. There's one. Nope. I love how they get in this current though. It's really nice. They actually fight. Yeah. Yeah, they all do.
I mean, they're pretty.
Yeah, they are. I'm glad. So now there's only 2 on here,
Yeah.
and or you can just chill. But and it's so much nicer because now there's only 2 hooks,
Yeah.
and like it's much. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful hole. I'll let you have first honors. Let's see if we can get a first cast fish. What? Get up, maybe get a little closer. We'll see. That's dumb. Come on. Come on, fish. You're not following the law. Oh, there's one. Oh, stop jumping. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it was just about where you casted. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think they're really gonna be sitting in that slack water. It's all like mud, you know? Oh, see ya. Yeah, that is true. He was probably like that. He was like, that minnow looks sus. He's like, I'm not gonna eat it. He's like, I'm gonna follow it, but. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a pretty good one, dude. Yeah. Get the net on that one. I wonder if it's the same one that was following you. There's a possibility.
I mean, I think some.
Oh my god, it's a stocked fish. Oh, yeah, it's a stocked fish.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it is.
Wait.
Maybe it's not. It looks like. Dude, look at it. That's gotta be a stocking. That's gotta be.
His spots don't.
Yeah, dude, look. There's no dorsal. Look at that. That's a stocky.
His spots look wild though.
Yeah, I guess it's just because what he's been eating, I guess. But yeah, it's a stocky. What?
It doesn't look that stock to me, honestly. But you've seen more brown.
Yeah, he's the stocky. That's for sure.
All right.
Look at his dorsal, bro.
Oh, fish.
Fish? Big one?
I don't know.
I got a stocky, boys, and Samson here hooked up.
Let's see what we got.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh no, it's not. Never mind.
A little guy.
Dang it, dude. I thought it was big. He fooled me.
In the net.
But yeah, you got one at least.
All right.
Oh, just lost a little one. Like he was probably like 4 or 5 inches. Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah, he's an okay size. Nah, it's alright. There's a lot of fish back here. Just imagine how many there'll be up there. There you go, guys. Another brown. There's gotta be some hungry fish in this hole, don't you think? Just make sure to let your spinner sink just a little bit. It's a deeper hole, I think. Please be a big fish in here. Oh, there's a fish. Nope. Yes, sir. Oh, well, quick release. I love it. Oh, cool. I should have retied before I did that. Yo, a lamprey. I found a lamprey.
Dead or alive?
Alive.
Wait, you picked them up?
Yeah.
Let me see.
That's so cool. No, I think it's a brook lamprey. I can't really. Oh my god, there's 2 of them.
Wait, where?
Come here. Oh, that's so cool.
Hold on, Are they invasive?
No, these are native ones.
I thought lampreys are like massive, like the one you saw in your creek, that one.
Yeah. These are just babies of those, I think.
Oh wow. They're not good.
What?
I guess they're native, but they're bad for the fish.
Yeah, well, I mean, all fish predate on other fish, you know?
Yeah.
So it's not that big of a deal.
Are they fish or no?
Yeah, they're just a jawless fish.
They kind of fish?
Yeah, they're fish. All right, one just escaped from my grasp, but that was really cool. Oh, I do have a fish. Not a bad little guy.
Is that like 9?
Something like that, yeah. No, it's probably more like 10 actually, or 11. Good, dude.